Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're an OD, guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a hair review featuring EBIN. I hope I'm saying it right. I'm not sure. A lot of these names, I'm just like, reminds me of when I pronounce names for the Juvia's Face palette. Like, I don't know if I need to get like a sound play to tell me how to say it or what, but we're going to be using that product. I've never used it to melt down my lace, so we're going to be trying it out in this video to see how I like it, if it's something that will add to my install regimen, or like how I feel about it overall. So we're going to be using that product today in this video and see how it does with this install. If you want to see how it turns out, just continue to watch this video. All right, so in here it has clips that I put in here. So I'm just gonna put the wig on. Ooh. I feel like y'all not close enough to me, so let's get closer. Okay, so I made this wig as another wig I could just throw on. Mainly, it's been really beneficial as a glueless wig, y'all. I'm not even gonna front. I don't know why I got this cap on, because I don't even. The cap is for the video, because y'all, I don't never put a cap on. Excuse the background noise, y'all know how it is with kids. I don't know why my video, I don't know if y'all can see it. Okay, y'all can. Okay, so like this is how the hair looks without without me laying it down. This is how it looks. So this is why I say this wig is a glueless wig, because I can literally throw it on. But today, for the sake of the video, y'all got a little setup over here. So we are going to be trying out this, how do you even say this? Like, I guess it's EBIN. Do you pronounce this EBIN or EBIN? Bonding spray. I've seen this everywhere, and this is my first time, so I didn't want to get a big bottle because I just didn't know how it was going to be. So this is a small can. If I like it, then we'll go get more. And it was like several different kinds. I didn't know the best, so we're going to dabble. But for me, it's the first time, so let's go ahead and get into it. This is what I'm using as a replacement of my gots2b spray. So we're going to see how this works. And I got this from my local beauty supply store for $4.59, which is not bad. So let's go ahead and get into the install, and we're gonna see how it turns out. Okay, I'm gonna have to lay this hair, these flyaways down. I'm gonna use my Care wax stick. It's just like too much hair. It's like too much hair in my face. Okay. All right, I think we got a good amount away from the face that we can start spraying it down and laying it down, so then I can style the actual hair. Okay. I cut this lace side too far, so sidetrack, y'all. I really feel like I should have put like white and white. It's not too late, but we're gonna just do that in a minute. I am scared. Well, it's just, oof. I just don't know how. Oof. Okay, y'all, I didn't even have the curl on the first time I tried to curl my hair, so I don't want. I don't want big curls. So I may have to like see how this looks. Because I don't want tight curls. I want like very soft, flowy. Like if my hair was naturally long, it would just have come out of a wrap and I got layers. You know what I'm saying? I want that type of vibe. Very soft, subtle look. I don't want nothing too strong. Tight. That's one thing I don't like about this whole process is you gotta wear them. Ooh. Who's that lady? Who's that lady? Real fine lady. I gotta comb through this front because I don't want it to be crunchy. Okay. Okay. How I'm looking, y'all. How I'm looking, y'all. I can't see my whole face like out there in the camera, so this is a closure. So if y'all looking like I can see the braids, no, you can't because it's a closure. Okay. I don't like the flyaways, but I know that because I have layers, that I'm going to have some. It's just like, see, this is how I like it. I don't want it to be too curly. Like, I just feel like that's not how I don't want to be looking like, you know. See, and then there go these little flyaways. I don't know if that's from, yeah, I don't like that like that. I don't know if that's from me cutting my layers or just something I'm going to have to lay down. Usually you can use like some spray. Normally I would just do like a mist spray over my hair like I would do with the gots2b. So because we're using the EBIN, I'm going to use that and see how that does as a form of spray. Usually sometimes I would even put like a palm size of oil, rub it in my hands and rub it in my hair. Yeah, but I'm trying to over there because it just seems like a lot. There we go. Okay, y'all, let's get into the hair. Once I put on something, let's change the shirt. Gotta get with the color, the look, and we'll be back for a full review. Okay, so y'all, I end up pressing my hair down, but I don't think I like it like that. Cause see, I had it pressed like this, but honestly, I don't know why I got like the hair. This is not equal. I mean, I don't have this centered, but do I want it like this? The little opening was not doing me any good. Okay, so we're just gonna press this up now. I done unplugged my curling iron, so the curls that I have is the curls I'm gonna have, you know what I mean? I don't know why I'm trying to do different than I normally do. Okay, y'all, I thought I was like trying to switch it up a little bit, and I probably will switch up like how I have this hair, but I think when I do that, I'm probably gonna lay some hair down, because I think if I want a side part, but I think that the side, oh, my head is itching, y'all. I didn't grease my scalp when I braided it down. I think that's what I need to do. Okay. Overall, I love my hair now. That ain't no problem. That's not the issue. It's just trying to get the style to do right for some reason. And I honestly think I'm too much on the side. Like, I probably should have moved my wig over a little bit more, but it is what it is now. We're here. Okay, so overall though, about the spray is a 10 out of 10. It works beautiful. It doesn't take as long to dry as the gots2b. So I would definitely give it a 10 out of 10. I would definitely go in and try the other products that they have, like the lace melt I've seen. And they also have tinted lace spray. I don't use lace spray. I've never used lace spray. I have tried the foundation on the lace, but I've never tried actual lace spray. So that may be something I may try soon as I continue to venture out into more products for your wig and unit install. Because if the spray does 10 out of 10, I can only imagine if I find the right match for the lace spray, how that would do for my unit. So I definitely enjoyed it, and I would definitely give it a 10 out of 10. And if you would like to know more about this hair that I have in this unit, definitely look in the description bar below, and I will have details on this hair. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this install. If you liked it and made it this far, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And as always, stay true and stay you, and I will see you guys in the next video.